Dear friends, now we try this problem, which is an important problem, and moreover you should remember the calculations, the simplifications here, so that this problem will help us to do further problems. You have to know the procedure and you have to remember like a formula. This is an important formula. What is given here? You have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So, LHS R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R. Here, it is difficult to do all the four at a time. So, I shall do R1 plus R2 and R3 minus R. Separately I shall do. Later I shall add these two. It is difficult to handle all the four at a time. So first of all I do first R1 plus R2. In the second part I do R3 minus R. Later these two will be added. So consider R1 plus R2. You have to remember the procedure and you have to remember its answer as a formula also. R1 plus R2 is how much? As a formula you have to remember. R1 formula is 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Formula of R1 and R2 and R3, it is easy to remember. How? 1 stands for A. Alphabetically 1 is for A, 2 is B, 3 is for C. If it is 1, A by 2. For 1, A by 2 is with sin, remaining are cos. For 1, sin A by 2. B by 2, C by 2 are in terms of cos. If it is R2, R2 means B. So, R2, in R2, B by 2 is with sin, remaining 2 are in terms of cos, which means R1 is sin A by 2, R2 sin B by 2, remaining are in terms of cos. You can remember like that. So 4R sin A by 2, sin A by 2, 1 is for A, so A by 2 sin. Remaining 2 are in terms of cos, so cos B by 2 cos C by 2 plus 4R R2 means B. B must be written in terms of sin, remaining 2 are in terms of cos. So 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Here 4R cos C by 2 are common. 4R cos C by 2, 4R cos C by 2. So take 4R cos C by 2 common. By taking common, what are remaining? Sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2. The remaining I have written. It seems to be in the form of sin, treated as A, B. This is in the form of sin A cos B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin A plus B. A means A by 2, B means B by 2. Here you should remember what the formula we have discussed in trigonometry up to transformations. What the formula we have discussed in trigonometry up to transformations, we will get in many of the trigonometric chapters. So, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is in the form of sin A plus B. A means A by 2, B means B by 2. Here, A plus B plus C equal to 180. How? Chapter name itself, properties of triangles. In a triangle, sum of three angles is 180. Sum of three angles is 180. In the problem, it is clearly mentioned. In triangle ABC, see here, in triangle ABC, clearly they mention, which means sum of three angles is 180. So A plus B plus C equal to 180. In the problem, we are having A by 2, B by 2, C by 2. In the problem, we are having A by 2, B by 2, C by 2. So take by 2 on both sides. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90. So in the place of A by 2 plus B by 2, I can write 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. So in the place of this, I have written 90 minus C by 2. Sin 90 minus theta. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta means cos C by 2. Cos C by 2. So 4R cos C by 2 into cos C by 2. Cos C by 2 into cos C by 2. Cos square C by 2. So R1 plus R2 equal to 4R cos square C by 2. So first part is over. Now second part. So consider R3 minus R. R3, 3 stands for C. So C term is in terms of sin, remaining are in terms of cos. So 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2 minus here there is no suffix. There is no suffix. It is simply R. If it is R, everything is in terms of sin. So R formula is 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. There is no suffix here. So all the terms are in terms of sin. Sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. The same procedure what we followed in the above, apply the same one. 4R sin C by 2 common. 4R sin C by 2. Take 4R sin C by 2 common. By taking common, what are the remaining? Cos A by 2, cos B by 2 minus sin A by 2, sin B by 2. Again, this is in the form of cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B is cos A plus B formula. Cos A plus B. Here, A for A by 2, B means B by 2. Again, A plus B plus C equal to 180. Dividing 2 on both sides, A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is 90. So, in the place of A by 2 plus B by 2, we can write 90 minus C by 2. Written. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. 90 minus first quadrant, all positive. 9 is odd, so cos becomes sin. So sin C by 2. There is 4R sin C by 2 in the beginning. Sin C by 2 into sin C by 2, sin square C by 2. So R3 minus R is 4R sin square C by 2. Here you have to remember the procedure and you have to learn it as a formula. R3 minus R, 4R sine square C by 2. R3 minus R, 4R sine square C by 2. R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2, 4R cos square C by 2. R1 plus R2, 4R cos square C by 2. You have to know the procedure, how to get this, and you have to remember it as a formula. Right. So, if you recollect, in the LHS, they have given 4. It is difficult to handle all the 4 at a time, so I handled 2 terms in the first level. In the second level, I have taken R3 minus R. These two are to be added now. So what is the result of R1 plus R2? 4R cos square C by 2 plus R3 minus R, 4R sin square C by 2. Now take 4R common. 4R common. The remaining is cos square C by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Seems to be in the form of cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is 1. 4R into 1 is 4R. That is RHS. That is what we have proved: R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R equal to 4R. We completed the problem.